Hello children, myself Sapna and Gavli is here to explain you about the numbers up to 1000. Class 2, subject mathematics. Children, as you all are familiar with the groups, that is ones, tens and hundreds. We all know how the ones has formed, tens has formed and hundreds has formed. Let us recall. Look into the given picture. There is one block equals to 1 ones. 2 block equals to 2 ones. 3 block equals to 3 ones. 4 block equals to 4 ones. 5 block equals to 5 ones. 6 block equals to 6 ones, and so on. 9 block equals to 9 ones and 10 block equals to 10 ones. Here 10 ones is equal to 110. I repeat, 10 ones equals to 110. You can look into the picture, children. There are such type of 10 blocks, 10 tens. It is called as 10 tens. 10 tens makes 100. 10 tens makes 100. In the same way, the blocks of hundreds, that is 10 hundreds makes 1000. I repeat, 10 hundreds makes 1000. Now let us learn forming numbers. Look into the picture, children. In the example 1, picture 1, there are 3 blocks of tens and 5 blocks of ones. That makes the number 35. We can read the number as 35. In the next example, there are 7 blocks of tens and 2 blocks of ones. It makes the number 72. 7 tens and 2 ones make number 72. In the third example, there are 2 blocks of tens and 2 blocks of ones. This makes the number 2 ones and 2 tens. This is read as 22. You can observe in the picture there are 4 blocks of hundreds. This form the number 400. I repeat, there are 4 blocks of hundreds. This makes the number 400. One more example, you can look into the picture. There are 7 blocks of 100. It makes the number 700. I repeat, 7 blocks of hundreds makes the number 700. One more example, children. You can look into the picture. There are 3 blocks of hundreds, 4 blocks of tens and 2 blocks of ones. This makes the number 342. I repeat, 342. Okay children, can you read these numbers? Yes, 654. This number in expanded form, it is written as 600 plus 50 plus 4. 362. It is written as 300 plus 60 plus 2. Finally, 575. 500 plus 70 plus 5 is the expanded form of that number. After learning Forming of numbers, we will learn now place values. What is place value? Place value is decided by the position of a digit in a number. You can look into the example. I have given the place values 100, tens and ones. Below that, I have written the numbers 8, 9 and 2. Now let us see the position of 2. What is the place value of 2? That is 2. Position of 9 is written in tens value. The place value of 9 becomes 90. Position of 8 is 100 and the place value is 800. I repeat, the place value is decided by the position of a digit in a number. Children, place value of a digit in different numbers can be different. For example, 524. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 2 is equal to 20. Place value of 4 is equals to 4. In the other side, 452. Place value of 4 equals to 400. Place value of 5 equals to 50. Place value of 2 equals to 2. In the both examples, you can see that 5 is the same number but the position of 5 is different. So, in the first example, the position of 5 is at 100. That's why we have written 5 equals to 500. In the other example, the position of 5 is at tens. Therefore, we have written 5 equals to 50. We can say that place value of a digit in different numbers can be different. Same digit in different position has different place value. For example, 667. Place value of first 6 at hundreds place is equal to 600. You can look into the picture, children. Place value of first 6 is at 100. Hundreds place, that is equals to 600, and the place value of second 6 at tens place, that is equals to 60. Therefore, we can say same digit in different position has different place values. 6 at the place hundreds is 600. 6 at tens place is 60. Here is the interesting topic. Why interesting? Because it is easy. So let us learn the before, after and between numbers. What is before, children? Before means previous number. Then one number before the given number. After means next number to the given number. Now I will explain you with the example. Look into the picture. The first number, that is 232, is given. What will be the before number of 2? Yes, it is 231. How did we get that? We can get the number just before by subtracting 1. For example, 232 minus 1 becomes 231. 231 is the before number. We can get the number just before by subtracting 1. 232 plus 1 is 233. We can get the number just after by adding 1. In the same way, 466 minus 1 becomes 465. And 466 becomes plus 1 becomes 467. And in the next example, 700. 700 minus 1 will get the before number of 700, that is 699. And after number is by adding plus 1 for 700. It becomes 701. Children, let us know about more than and less than. First we'll begin with 10 more than and 10 less than. I will explain you with the example 572. If you add 10 to the number 572, it is equal to 582. That means 10 more than 572 will become 582. 572 minus 10, if you subtract 10 from that number, then the number is equal to 562. That means 10 less than 572 is 562. Here in the example 572, if you add 10 or subtract 10, the place value of tens will be changed. The number in the place tens is changed. You can observe that 6, 7 and 8 is written. 562, 572 and 582. 100 more than and 100 less than. 345 plus 100 equals to 445. That means 100 more than 345 is 445. 345 minus 100. If you subtract 100 from 345, that will become 245. That is 100 less than 345 is 245. Here the number in hundreds place will be changed. You can look into the picture. In the hundreds place there is 2, 3 and 4. 245, 345 and 445. Comparing numbers. Children, why do we compare numbers? Yes, we compare numbers to know whether it is greatest or smallest or it is equal. So let us compare the numbers. First step to compare the numbers is to check the number of digits. The number with greater number of digits is greater. The number which is having greater number of digits is greater. You can look into the picture. 725 is a 3-digit number and 37 is 2-digit number. It is very simple to understand which is the greatest number and smallest number. Yes, 725 is greater than 37 because 37 is the 2-digit number and 725 is the 3-digit number. Comparing numbers with same number of digits. For example, 275 and 864. Both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. As earlier we have done, start by comparing digits in the highest place value in hundreds. That is 2 is less than 8. Therefore, 275 is less than 864. Now let us compare 3-digit number with 3-digit number. In the first example, 483 and 462, first compare hundreds place value. If it's same number, that is 4 equals to 4, then go to tens place value. 8 is greater than 6. So 483 is greater than 462. In the second example, 537 and 539, compare hundreds place value. If it's same number, then 5 equal to 5, then go to tens place value. It is also same, 3 equals to 3. Then we need to go to ones place value. That is 7 is less than 9. Therefore, here the number 537 is less than 539. Comparing 3-digit number, we need to compare from highest place values. Then we get the result. Dear children, as we know the comparing of numbers, whether the number is greatest or smallest. By this we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. First, let us know what is ascending order. In ascending order, the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. I repeat, in ascending order, the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. Example for 728, 345, 539, 32, 629, 97. Here we arrange the number from smallest to greatest. Check for the number which is smaller in the group. Yes, 32 is the smallest number. We start from 32, then 97, then 345, 539, 629, and at last the greatest number is 728. Descending order. In descending order, the numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest. I repeat, greatest number to smallest number. Example 25, 453, 67, 576 and 112. Among these numbers, first we'll check for greatest number. Then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So we will write the number as 576, 453, 112 and 67, 25. Here the numbers are arranged from greatest numbers to smallest numbers. Hope you understood all the concepts of this chapter, that is numbers up to 1000. Thank you.